Hey beauties! Today we're back with another part of our Old Money series. We're going to create a new elegant and timeless look that embodies sophistication. As always, we're aiming for chic and classy. Ready to start? Let's dive in. We're starting with a pair of classic white tailored pants. These pants offer a clean and elegant look, perfect for building a sophisticated outfit. The soft fabric and perfect fit make this the foundation of our look. White pants are a great way to look polished and refined in any setting. Next, we're adding a chic black cutout top for a touch of femininity. Black and white together create a timeless and stylish combination. We're finishing the waistline with a sleek gold buckled belt, adding a refined and luxurious touch to the look. Now, we're elevating the outfit with black stilettos. These classic heels add height and sophistication, perfectly complementing the outfit. They're the perfect blend of strength and elegance. To complete the look, we're adding a black handbag with a gold buckle. It's a stylish and functional accessory that pulls the outfit together. The gold details add a luxurious element, emphasizing that old money vibe. And there you have it. Our elegant and timeless old money look is complete. This style is perfect for anyone who wants to keep it classy and sophisticated. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. See you in the next one.